All right, next one we've got here is permutations of all members and of all but one member. See, I like these ones. I think they're starting to be fun. This is where we start to look at it and go, all right, well, how many 8-digit numbers and how many 9-digit numbers can be formed from the 9 non-zero digits if no repetition is allowed? So we're still doing a permutation. So if we look at with the 9-digit numbers, we're going to have, if we work it out, we're going to have 9 permutation, but we're only using 8. So how many numbers have we got? 9. We're doing a permutation, so there's no repeats, and we're only using 8 of them. So that's where that comes from. So that's going to be 9 factorial over 9 minus 8 factorial. So obviously you could probably do some of this in your head, but sometimes it's easier just to do it all in one go. So we're going to end up with 9 factorial there in the end. And then part B, sorry, I'll move this. Just realised I'm writing it as though it's part B there. Right in there. Click A. And then we will go to the second part of this, which is where we've got 9p9 equals. Now that's going to be 9 factorial over 9 minus 9 factorial, which is going to equal 9 factorial as well. Now, the reason for that is 0 factorial is by definition 1. So, and the same as 1 factorial is. So what we're looking at here is even though we've done 8-digit numbers and 9-digit numbers, why have we got the same answer? The reason for that is every 8-digit number can be extended in one and only one way to a 9-digit number. Okay, so if you've got an 8-digit number, because it's no repetition. So let's say the 8-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that should be an 8. 8, and we want to now make that a 9-digit number. Realistically, there's only one way you can do it, and that's by adding a 9, because we can't do repetition. So it doesn't change the amount of ways. So for every one of those that we've got, if we had another number that was 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the only number we can add to that is 2. Same as the only number we can add to that is 1. So we're not actually making any more. It's exactly the same amount. So for every one of these ones that we do, the only thing we could do when making a 9-digit is just add that missing digit. So it's not as though there's 2 different options for each one of those. There's only one other option. So you're going to end up with the same amount of ones there. Hope that makes some sense.